Today, we'll follow the complete journey of apple farming, from preparing the land to harvesting and selling.
Heavy tractors loosen the soil, remove weeds, and mix organic compost to create the perfect environment for healthy apple roots. Young apple saplings are planted with precise spacing, so every tree receives enough sunlight, nutrients, and room to grow. Modern drip irrigation delivers water directly to the roots, saving water while helping every apple tree grow faster and healthier. Apple trees need regular pruning every year. Removing old and weak branches helps sunlight reach every part of the tree, producing healthier fruits.
Healthy pruning improves airflow, reduces diseases, and helps the trees grow stronger throughout the season. Soil nutrients are checked regularly to ensure every tree receives the right nutrition. Farmers monitor insects carefully to protect the crop before any damage occurs. Eco-friendly pest control methods help protect both the environment and the apple harvest. As spring arrives, thousands of beautiful white and pink blossoms cover every tree.
Bees play a vital role by pollinating flowers, allowing apples to begin forming. After successful pollination, tiny green apples begin appearing on the branches.
Each fruit grows larger every week, with proper sunlight, water, and nutrients. Farmers continue inspecting every tree to make sure the fruit develops perfectly. By the end of the growing season, the orchard is filled with healthy apples, almost ready for harvest.
Each apple is picked by hand to avoid bruising and preserve premium quality.
Freshly picked apples are placed into large collection bins and transported from the orchard. The harvested apples are quickly delivered to modern packing facilities for processing. Every apple is thoroughly washed to remove dust and field residue.
Keep an eye on the flow rate right here.
I'm adjusting the parameters now. The AI should compensate.
Only the highest quality apples receive premium grade for supermarkets and export.
The packed apples are stored in temperature-controlled cold rooms to preserve freshness for months.
American apples travel thousands of miles to supermarkets around the world.
From a tiny blossom to supermarket shelves, every apple reflects months of dedication, technology, and skilled farming. That's the incredible journey of USA apple farming.